Have you ever longed for something better? An enhancement that could elevate your confidence? Today, we'll investigate a product called Member XXL. This supplement claims it can increase penis size. But does it genuinely deliver on its impressive promises? Stay with us as we uncover the truth behind this product. Member XXL has gained traction in the male enhancement realm. Many men face pressure to conform to societal standards. The longing for larger size can weigh heavily on their minds. First, let's explore the claims made by Member XXL. It promises to enlarge penis size by boosting blood flow. It also insists that it can enhance overall sexual performance. Now, let's analyze the ingredients. Member XXL comprises natural elements. Notable ones include herbs like ginseng and ginkgo biloba. These are recognized for promoting blood circulation. What about the safety aspect? Member XXL asserts it's safe and devoid of side effects.
Thanks for watching. To learn more about how this product can help you, find the official website link in the description.